Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a yummy snack. We are going to make baby brinjal pakoras. Brinjals are also known as eggplants and aubergines in some places. So I found these tiny baby brinjals which are perfect for making these fritters. We are going to slit them and stuff them with a nice spicy mint and coriander chutney. Dip them in the batter and fry these pakoras. They come out so delicious. I just can't wait to make them and have them, enjoy them with the masala chai. For making brinjal pakoras, we require oil for frying, gram flour or besan 2 cups, baby brinjals 10 or 12, baking soda 2 pinches, salt to taste, ajwain or carom seeds 1/4 teaspoon, and mint and coriander chutney 1/2 cup. You can also check out the detailed recipe on my website. Link is shared in the description box. Now take a large bowl of water, add salt to it. Make a crisscross slit on the brinjals, keeping the stem intact. Immerse them in the salt water. Now while you are slitting, check each of them because sometimes there are worms inside. Tiny little brinjals are looking so cute, isn't it? They are very tender also. Now this is done. We have finished slitting all of them. Leave them in the salt water for at least 15 minutes. When you are ready to fry, remove them from the water. Now we are going to stuff these brinjals. Take a microwave safe dish and stuff the chutney in between the slits. You can use a spoon to do this, or you can even do it with your hands, whichever is convenient to you. If the chutney is thin, liquidy, then you can cook it in a small pan and dry it to make it thicker, so that it's easy to stuff. I find doing it easier with hand because this way you can push the chutney nicely into the slits. Now the stuffing is done. We are going to cook them a bit. Microwave them for 2 minutes or bake them in the oven for 5 minutes. Alternately, you can even cook them in a pan, but you have to spray a little oil and cook them on low flame. Now I've microwaved them for 2 minutes. They are semi-cooked, little softer. Spread them out so that they are cooled. Once they are cool, we'll start frying them. Meanwhile, let's make the batter. Put the besan into a sieve along with the baking soda. Sift it, removing all the lumps. Add salt and ajwain or carom seeds. Mix them. And now add sufficient water and make a smooth batter. Add water little by little. Mix it well with a spoon or a balloon whisk to get a smooth consistency. Remember, the batter thickens on keeping, so make it accordingly. Check the salt. It's always better to make the batter and rest it for some time. This way the baking soda gets activated and you get nice and crispy pakoras. Heat the oil. Dip the stuffed and pre-cooked brinjals in the batter and drop them into hot oil. You can fry them in 2 or 3 batches depending on the size of the pan. Now you can reduce the flame to medium. For crispy pakoras, you have to maintain the right temperature of the oil, neither too hot nor too cold. This way, fry them, flipping them a few times until they get a nice and golden color. They are nearly done. Now remove them on the absorbent paper. Nice and crispy pakoras. Can't wait to eat them. Now do the same with the remaining brinjals. Dip them in the batter and drop them in the hot oil. Fry them the same way, flipping a few times. Remove all of them. Nice and crispy, delicious stuffed baby brinjal pakoras or eggplant fritters are ready. So friends, make and enjoy these delicious fritters. You can serve them with chili garlic sauce if you like. Check out the link in the description box. But if the chutney is nice and spicy, you don't even require any chili sauce to go with them. Don't they look yummy and irresistible? Can't wait to taste them. Pakora is one such snack which is loved by one and all. Tasting time. The outer texture is nice and crispy and inside is nice and soft. Brinjals are well cooked. As they are tiny, they get cooked faster. Yummy, yummy. So delicious. Friends, you have to try these out. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.